Nubia Redmagic 8 Pro gets 3C certification and will come with 165-watt charger. Hi. Thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Nubia is working on Redmagic 8 Pro, and it is expected to launch soon as the first gaming phone with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The gaming beast was recently spotted on Tenna and Bluetooth SIG websites. And today the device has appeared on China's 3C certifications website with 165-watt fast charging. It is expected to debut as early as December. The tech website MySmartPrice initially spotted Redmagic 8 Pro with model number NX729J, bagged certification from China's 3C website. The listing states that the phone will support 5G connectivity, which is kind of obvious. Details about the Redmagic 8 are kind of thin, but some leaks on Twitter claims the phone will debut soon alongside the vanilla Redmagic 8. Both smartphones are likely to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which may make them the first gaming phones with this new chip. Redmagic 8 Pro will likely have 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It will likely have a shoulder trigger for a smooth gaming experience, and a 6000 mAh battery and some really cool cooling technology or accessories. Redmagic phones aren't always about cameras, but the phone is likely to come with 108-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. These are just wild speculations, but we'll keep you updated when more information becomes available. Subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. You can please go ahead and like or dislike this video, leave a comment, but watch our other videos.